Hi, this is Sean Kelly with American Cable Assemblies, and today we're here to talk to you about Hydra cables. Hi, and welcome to the Cable Cabin. Today we're here to talk to you about Hydra cables. Our Hydra cables feature a 50-position male or female Telco connector on one end. That connector is connected to a 25-pair Cat3 Telco cable. And on the other end, we have a number of different breakouts. One standard breakout we offer is a 12 conductor RJ11, or say a 6 breakout RJ45. Since all of our assemblies are 100% made here in our facility in Western Mass, we can customize anything to meet your needs. Whether it's a specific breakout or connector, or maybe you have, let's say, a custom pinout that you require, or even special labeling that you'd like to see on the assembly, just send us an email or shoot us a call. Our contact information is below. Thank you for stopping by today, and remember, at American Cable Assemblies, our connections improve your network.